Everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of this new style by Natural Image from the Inspired collection called Soft Glam in the color Café Glow Rooted. If you haven't heard of Natural Image before, a lovely company that produces beautiful styles. They just expanded their range, so you have new styles, but you also have new colors. Definitely worth checking out. Natural Image has a special place in my heart because my very first wig that I ever owned was by Natural Image. So I'm always so happy when I can review some Natural Image wigs because they are beautiful, and I think for the quality you get, the price is really good. This is about Soft Glam. Look at this color. Ooh. First time me trying this new color, so I'm very excited. So this was gifted to me by Hot Hair. You can get this wig and other Natural Image wigs from Hot Hair, and I will put the link down below in the description box for you. So let's unbox this. This is a long wig. Look at it. Securely packaged with a net, and then it sits on tissue paper to protect the wig. Look at it. So you have some waves. This is where the soft glam comes from, I think. It's the soft waves there. Let's have a look at the cap construction. You have an extended lace front. So it runs into the ear tabs. So it will cover or give you a lovely hairline all the way down to those ear tabs. Then you have a fairly wide center part, so you probably can have it slightly off-center parted as well. If you're like me, I like my part slightly off-center. Open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, and velvet covered ear tabs. Permatease wise, I don't think there is much at all. But look at that. Comes with a zigzag parting, so obviously we'll change that. Right, let me just rake my hands through it just to loosen the fibers away from the cap so they move a bit more naturally. These are heat-friendly fibers. This feels amazing. Really soft. Wow. Can't wait to try it on. Right, let's put it on. And let's... Ooh, wow. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Love this color and everything. Right, let me make sure it sits correctly. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. Yeah, that's in the right spot. Move the ear tabs to move it to the right place. Right, before I do anything, let me show you what it looks like straight out of the box. Wow. This is stunning. This is absolutely beautiful. Right, let's look at the lace front. So you have lighter pieces here at the front. So you really don't get many knots here either. This looks really good. Right, and the mono part. So let me get rid of the zigzag parting. Have I done it? Yeah. There you go. That looks good. Let me just comb through this. Now that you've seen it straight out of the box, I can now play with it a little bit. What you should do, and I'm even after years of wearing wigs, I'm still getting used to it. Start from the bottom and then comb your way up rather than start from the top. This wants to go that way. Just so you don't put any real pressure on those fibers. I mean, this is wow. Let me show you now that I have combed it through. So you have a bit of a shorter front layer, which I absolutely love. I think that is really flattering. And then you have the longer layers here, and then you have these slide waves. I tell you what, this is a wig. It makes me feel really beautiful. Sorry. Do you get that sometimes? Some wigs just, oh, they make you feel a certain way. So, so this is what it looks like combed through. This color, I'm loving. I love these kind of blonde colors. I think on me, on my skin tone, I think they look great. And this color is right up my street. So tell me what you think of Soft Glam and tell me what you think of this color. I will review this in more detail, so subscribe if you haven't done so already so you will not miss that review. Soft Glam is available from Hot Hair, so I will put the link down below in the description box so you can find it easily. So you just need to click on the link and it will take you straight to Hot Hair's website and to this piece, and then you can purchase it from there. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. And otherwise, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.